You can measure your furniture either with the fabric on or off. We chose to have it on today, and we're going to show you how to measure the top, the bottom, and the length. Have a pad and pen ready so that you get your accurate measurements. Remember, measure twice and order once. Okay, Dan, go ahead. So we measure the front of the chair right here, basically where the arm is, and you take it from side to side, and our measurement is 19 inches. So you write down 19 inches is the front of the chair. Then we come to the top, and we have 19 inches also. Write that down, 19 inches top. And then it's important to use a skinny tape measure because you're going to have to come around the bend. Some of the thick ones might get jammed on you, but you could just stick it right on the top here of your existing cap and then bring it right down the furniture. And the measurement is 42 1/4. And we write that down, and that is your length.